discuss why these generic solutions will not give you desired results. Okay, so for example, now just again I would like to give a very simple example. सबका mood off होता है, सबके mood swings होते हैं. For example, if I'm feeling very sad today and suddenly मैंने कुछ comedy movie देखा and I started feeling good. Okay, so it shifted my energy. All right. Okay, so that watching comedy movie or watching comedy video worked for me in the present moment. Okay. Okay, but लेकिन just because it worked for me in the present moment, will it work for me all the time? Has it ever happened to you? Sometimes, कभी कॉमेडी मूवी देख के मूड स्विच होता है, कभी दोस्तों से बात करके मूड स्विच होता है, या कभी जस्ट गो एंड रेस्ट, have restful sleep, and then you're charged up. You all agree with me? Right? Yes or no? Come on. Has it happened to you? It's a very basic everyday routine ka example I'm, discussing. Yes, correct. So you all agree? Just because it worked for me right now, it doesn't mean it will work for me every time. Again, has it ever happened to you कि आपके friend ने कुछ आपको recommend किया है, just go and see this doctor is amazing. मुझे बहुत अच्छा फर्क बहुत अच्छा मेरा healing हुआ है, and this doctor has given me amazing results, and the moment you visit and you don't find that doctor great, or and when you start taking treatment from that doctor, it doesn't give you result. Has it ever happened to you? Yeah. Yes. So I'm just taking general example. It could be anything, like any service. For example, कि किसी ने बोला कि यहाँ पर what head massage बहुत अच्छा होता है, and then you went, and when you happens, right, when you go there and you realize that इतना कुछ अच्छा नहीं है, right? So just because it worked for other doesn't mean it will work for you. Are you all with me? So that's exactly the situation with general solutions that we offer using occult science knowledge. Right? Are you all with me? Right? Generic solutions or the standard solutions. Yes, no, quickly. Okay, so do you agree there is no one size doesn't fit all? You agree with this? Yeah, हर एक का life situation अलग है, हर एक के problems अलग है. Even if two people having same problem. Yes, thank you, Shalu, thank you, Prerna. अगर मान के चलो, there are two people, they have a similar problem or a exact same problem, still the same solution or one solution will not work for them. You all agree? Right? So there is no common generic solution. Yes, thank you so much, Shalu. So now imagine when you become occult science practitioners, okay, and without deeper understanding of spiritual laws and energy science, what are you doing? You're actually opening this shop, one size fits for all store. Okay? And imagine your clients. Yes? Who all are your clients? Having a different requirement, having different backgrounds, having different shapes, sizes, right? You all agree? Are you able to relate with this image? Yes, no, quick. Right. So, and the point that I'm trying to make is, imagine if you keep offering same solution कि ठीक है, जॉब नहीं है, चलो डोनेट करो, या जॉब नहीं है कोई पूजा में मंदिर में जाओ, पूजा करो, जॉब आपको मिल जाएगा. सेम कोई दूसरा क्लाइंट आपके पास आता है एंड शी टेल्स आई एम स्ट्रगलिंग विद द रिलेशनशिप, अगेन मंदिर में जाओ, पूजा करो. एक ही स्टैंडर्ड सोल्यूशन व्हेन यू आर ऑफरिंग, you are actually not adding value in their lives. You all agree? Yes, no, quick, then I'll move on.